Assessing the recycling potential of glass fiber reinforced plastic waste in concrete and cement composites. At present, glass fiber reinforced plastic or GRP waste recycling worldwide is very limited due to its in-string thermoset properties, lack of characterization data, and non-availability of viable recycling and recovery routes. In the present study, efforts were made to recycle GRP waste powder and fiber in concrete cement composites and assess its quality to comply with the British standards for use in construction applications. Results revealed that the mean comprehensive strength of concrete composites using 5% to 50% GRP waste powder under water curing varied from 37 Newton millimeter square to 19 Newton millimeter square. Increase in the concentration of GRP waste decreased the comprehensive strength. However, increase in curing duration 14 to 180 days resulted in improving the density of the concrete 50 with 50% GRP. Waste was reduced by 12% as compared to the control sample. The bending strength in the terms of modulus of rupture or MOR of 12 millimeter thickness cement composite developed using 5% GRP. Waste fiber attained 16.5 Newton millimeter squared. The findings of this work paved the way for further GRP waste recycling in precast construction products for use in various applications. Thank you.